Hello, and welcome. In this complete tutorial, we're going to guide you step by step on how to change the language settings in your Discord app on mobile phone. Changing the language on Discord is very useful, especially if you're more comfortable using Discord in your native language. You accidentally installed Discord in a language you don't understand. Or you're learning a new language and want to practice using it. Let's walk through the process in detail. Open the Discord app on your phone to launch the app. Make sure you are logged in. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner to open User Settings. Click Settings at the top right corner. Scroll down until you see the language option under Accessibility Settings. Tap on it, select a new language. A list of languages will appear. Tap on the language you want to use. The app interface will immediately change to that language. And you're done. Discord will now use the new language throughout the app. Discord supports dozens of global languages, including regional variants like English, UK, and Portuguese Brazil. You can change the language as many times as you want. The setting is reversible and takes effect instantly. If you can't read the current language and are stuck, look for language in Chinese, Long French, or click to guide you visually. This setting only affects your app interface, not your chats or server content. Changing the language is a simple yet powerful way to make your Discord experience more comfortable and personalized. That's it. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.